So we're designing, developing, and bringing to market range-extended electric trucks. To have a better feeling, won't fit here. That is the type of truck we're developing, the 7.5-ton truck for the segment. It's the delivery segment. You see it FedEx, UPS, Marks and Spencer's. It's a very fast-growing market because of e-commerce in urban delivery. So basically, pure electric trucks, customers have clearly said they're not interested. They cannot handle the limited range of electric trucks. They actually have to deliver packages at the end of the day. So we charge all night on cheap nighttime electricity, go most of the day on that cheap nighttime electricity, but we have a diesel range extender which lets you go unlimited range, well, at least until the diesel fuel inside ends. The second thing that customers say they want is to pay less. At least at a lifetime cost, they want to pay less. And we also achieve that. Third, and it's nice to have, is the green side. And that's just the reality of the world. So we have to give them something operational and something that is lower cost. We achieve through the range extender lower cost because we get to, it's basically arbitrage between cheap nighttime electricity and just a small amount of diesel fuel needed to extend the range. And in other words, if you compare it to an electric vehicle, we get to maximize that battery to the 90% usage instead of electric vehicle operators who don't take the risk. So the batteries come back almost half full every single day. So at a total cost of ownership, that's where we excel. Fleet operators look at total cost of ownership. So cost of the truck, ours is higher. We have a battery, but if you look at it all, including the 5, 6, 7 years of fuel costs discounted all back to date, that is where our advantage is. We have a very, very interesting piece of IP. Because we focus on commercial operators, we plan ahead a whole day's energy usage. We take into account the topography, the range, the speed, the changing payload, the quality of the driver, that's actually very important, the weather, and we figure out how much energy we're going to need for the whole day. And then we plan ahead where it's most beneficial to use the range extender. We don't have a simple application that says, well, when the battery is low, turn on the range extender. We do it in a much smarter way, and that's a big, big part of our IP. So, lots of electric vehicle companies out there have tried, failed. Tesla is the one company that's clearly succeeded very well. Where are we different on strategy? So, there's a big chicken and egg situation. Lack of charging infrastructure versus electric vehicle usage. Why would I buy an electric vehicle if I have nowhere to charge? Or vice versa, why would I put charging solutions out there if there's not a lot of electric vehicles? We completely solve that. We don't need any infrastructure at all, just a wall plug at night. High sticker price. So electric vehicles cost more, much lower to operate, that's all fine. But as car buyers, you look at sticker price. Fleet operators look at lifetime costs where we excel. The risk of running out of range, we've solved that completely. Focusing on commercial operators helps us figure out the best. They use planned ranges. Car operators, 20 miles one day, 0 miles another day, up to Scotland over the weekends. Commercial operators have planned ranges, and we can give them the perfect solution. Limited space in developing in a car. I've been developing battery systems for the last 6 years for electric vehicles. It's a big deal. In the chassis of a truck, there's just a lot of space to develop. Makes it very, very easy. And assembly line, basically, we don't have an assembly line. We don't need one because we have a partnership with China's second largest diesel truck maker. About our team. I have Sir Trevor Power as chairman. He's been 50 years in the automotive industry. We have Malcolm Powell, who was vice president of engineering of Tesla Motors. He developed the Roadster from start to finish. We just have a deal with the world's largest fleet. I'm not allowed to say their name, but their corporate color is brown. And we were recently won a very, very nice grant from the Department of Energy, £780,000 to support our development of both the trucks and the software application. Where we're doing, we basically, this slide is wrong, because it says we're still looking for 250,000 pounds. We recently got full commitment for our round, but we're now going into small oversubscription of a few £100,000. So anyone who's interested in investing 100,000 level-ish, please contact me. And I got the red light sign, so thank you very much.